Hello everybody, this is CJ Wilson, Firkins Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram. I just took in this beautiful 2013 Toyota Highlander. It is black. This is a limited model, so it's going to have the nice premium aluminum alloy wheels, fog lights. This particular vehicle is equipped with Bluetooth backup camera and does have navigation as well. Heated front seats, full leather seats, power seats. This does have the JBL premium audio in it as well. You know, this is actually a 3-row SUV. So this very nicely equipped, got plenty of seating for 7. It does have a power lift gate, and we'll take a look at the very back here. So there you can see with the tonneau cover and everything. Pretty excited about this one. It has 82,001 original miles on it. So to find out more about this vehicle, you can contact me, CJ Wilson, at 941-704-3169, or you can visit our website at www.firkinscj.com, and we'll see you soon.